Welcome, my name is Pavel and I will walk you through release highlights of Advanced REST Client version 14. The application has a new look and feel. You can choose one of default, dark and anypoint themes. The dark theme is turned on automatically when the application detects your operating system settings for dark mode. This feature currently is only available for macOS. Anypoint theme renders Vue compatible with Anypoint platform styling. Let's get back to the default theme. A completely new feature in Advanced REST Client are Workspaces. Workspace contains configuration of currently opened requests in the editor. With this release, you can save a workspace as a file and share it with others. Now you can open Workspace file using Workspace and Open from File menu option. It will open new Arc window with the exact same configuration. This way you can build tutorials or other training materials and share your configuration with your audience. Let's go to application settings for a moment, as few new options arrive with this release. Now you can define auth to redirect URI for the authorization panel of the request editor. You can choose to automatically remove any headers that starts with content from GET requests. GET requests should not have these headers, as it may cause the server to behave unexpectedly. You can enable application to insert default values for accept and user agent headers for all requests. The HTTP client won't insert header value if it's already defined in the request editor. In Experiment panel, you can enable Popup menu, which will allow you to detach part of the menu from the application window or completely detach the menu to new window. Drag and drop support allows you to move requests from one panel to another. For example, you can now open a request by dragging it to the request workspace. You can also save a request by simply dragging it from the workspace to the saved list or to a project. Next highlight is request configuration. It allows you to change application default configuration for this request. Other requests won't be affected by this configuration. Currently, you can tell the HTTP client to follow redirects, adjust request timeout, and enable SSL certificate validation. You can also enable Node's native HTTP client, which will apply system proxy settings to the request if required. Finally, you can instruct the HTTP client to send default accept and user agent headers if not defined in the request headers. New response view allows you to preview images instead of binary string. Similarly, PDF content won't be rendered as binary string, but rather as friendly message to save response as file. You can now access code snippets from the request editor. It renders code examples of how to run current requests in various platforms, languages, and frameworks. Feel free to message us to add more examples. That's it, guys. I really hope you will enjoy changes made to the application. Try it today, the link to the installation page is in the description and gives us your feedback. Your opinion matters to us and we want Arc to better support its community.